Python exception, type error, main got an unexpected keyword argument debug but if the module is run via scheduled task on Windows XP SP2. Running Python 2.5 on Windows XP SP2. When I run a Python script that calls a user-defined module called zipper.py, basically a wrapper for a zip file, using a Windows scheduled task I get this exception. Trace back, most recent call last, file c:\python scripts /sapansindiad reports.py, line 78, in main zipper.main report, f, debug equals true, hash, -4, plus underscore plus strx plus. Zip, type error, main got an unexpected keyword argument debug. The odd thing is that if I simply open the file in idle and hit F5, it runs flawlessly. I'm sure I left out some pertinent information, please let me know what you need. Zipper.py looks like this. Edit, I added the following 2 lines of code to the calling function, and it now works. Can you explain that to me?
As Paul said, you're probably running a different version of zipper.py. I would print out zipper._file_ and then if you need to debug, print out sys.path to see why it's finding a different file.
Vamos fazer mora, essa tortura é subserviente.